Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down how I made this ETHEREAL kind of effect for this cover I did for SUMMRS and YEAT back then when they were supposed to drop the song. They never dropped it. I'm going to be breaking this down. I think it's really good, it has some really good effects in there that, I can break down for you guys. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first layer here is this hell kind of background. I like this. I don't know, there's something just about this background. Obviously, the premise of it, hell, is not a good thing. Alright, it is a really cool background that I found here. And I've used it for a lot of covers as well. It's kind of just like a filler thing. I wouldn't use this to, form like a cover out of it. I'd really just use it to just have in the background, like just to kind of build a base off of it. Next, we have this group. So this group has everything in it. So this picture of SUMMRS I got from his music video. I forget which one it was. Colored this in though, or I can't even remember, but I added a shadow onto him just like so. And then for YEAT, just added a vibrance and a gradient map. This is the gradient map, so basically just kind of match the colors. The SUMMRS just literally the same color. Click on that, just use the Alright, so to actually, match colors, what you want to do is you want to go into the brush tool, you want to hold down Alt, you want to get the color picker, just click anywhere. Let me go onto the layer, just click around, boom, and then once you have that, layer, what you want to do is you're going to see this little hashtag here, the number code. You're going to copy that, and then you can just paste it in like so, and then put it to hard light. So that's how I did that there. And then just a little glow layer there just to brighten it up. I do have a noise on this. I haven't a clue what's going on here. I think there's a glitch on my system. I think I need an update, but yeah, so I have these two blurred. So basically I grouped it all together, duplicated it, merged it, and was left with this. And then this is just this behind it, and I merged it, and I got that. I got this AK-47 screen. Now this obviously looks a bit weird because there's no adjustments on, so I'm just gonna turn that on. And you guys can already see it already form. I'm gonna try it and work. Just with this, I'm pretty sure I was working with, I'd say probably these two on, maybe a curves and a brightness too. So I was probably just working with that, and you can see like how everything kind of comes in to play. But yeah, that's just kind of the importance of adjustments, really. Like I keep telling you guys in all these videos, adjustments are the key kind of thing you guys have to kind of understand. And quick little plug, if you guys do want to go ahead and get my adjustments, I do have a whole pack full of every single adjustment I use, and yeah, hella presets, hella shit in that just alone. So if you guys do want to go ahead and cop that, I'll leave a link down below. Alright, so going back to the cover, we have this. So basically all this is just the same image, or it's this right here, this image right here flipped vertical. So if I were to vertical or horizontal, vertical, and then horizontal, boom, and you're going to get this. And then what you want to do is you want to put that to linear dodge add right here, and then you want to just kind of erase the parts where it's affecting the face. So if we were to remove it, so you can see right here, if I just fill it back in, it is affecting his face right here. So just pull up blur there, a little dot, as you can see in the layer mask. Then I just add a shadow down here, shadows in the corner, just merge all that together. And then what I did here was I just merged, or I duplicated this, I scaled it up, and I kind of got this, like, you can't really even tell where this is from. That's just because I scaled it up and moved it around a bit. So just put the letter color and just a few dots around, just to kind of create this nice effect. this kind of glow effect. And then just merge all that together, and then I merged it again, and obviously it's going to look a bit weird, but the reason I did this was to kind of create more of a scaled environment. So if you guys do have Photoshop, you know, the updated version, you guys can have access to AI. So that's what I did here. I just AI filled it. If you guys are wondering how you actually do that, when you go up here, get the marquee tool, and then you just want to create a selection like so, and then you want to hold shift, and you can see the plus has a, or the arrow has a plus on it, and just drag around the corners, creating kind of a border just around like so. And then generative fill, and you don't have to put anything in there, it will just like kind of create based off of what the subject is, based upon the image. So then I put some more shadows here, and then also have this texture. You guys can't really see it because I have adjustments on, but I have this texture right here. It's kind of like a halftone texture. Yeah, these are all from Texture Labs. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below to that as well. Also have a black market black market copy scanner effect here, and you guys can see that it's just a really nice texture. Definitely recommend it. And yeah, we just have all these textures. I do have these in my free pack if you guys do want to join the Discord and get that. Yeah, it's just kind of simple, just so you guys aren't looking around for these textures and shit like that. But yeah, so I'm just going to go over the adjustments. Obviously I'll go over these textures too. I'll kind of show you guys the settings on them. But the most important part about these textures is to just eye it. Whatever looks good, go with that. Like you can see right here, all of these, I didn't use this I don't think, but yeah, these are the settings on them. So linear dodge add, I usually go for linear dodge add opposed to screen. That's just like how I am. They're the same shit. It's just a habit. It's just a habit. But then black market, also linear dodge add. And if you have them all on together, it kind of looks like this. Alright, so now I'm going to go over the adjustments. So gradient map, obviously we have the overlay, you know, this is kind of like essential in my cover arts anyways. I don't know if there's many people that do this, but this is kind of like how I like to design. As you can see, it makes a huge difference. You can mess around with the fill or the opacity, do the same shit. Gradient map, this is just a green gradient map. Have the green here. If you guys are wondering how you create points on the gradient map, all you have to do is click, literally click, and I usually have it next to the white. That's just how I do it. Curves, just 2 points, one at the bottom, one at the top, and they're a little slight. You can see them, they're kind of slightly curved. Then brightness and contrast, and exposure. So I have exposure up a little bit, offset up a little bit, and then I gamma correct it just to kind of make it darker. And yeah, and just to break it down again, I kind of want to show you guys like exactly how this is created. So this whole ethereal effect is all based on this kind of layer right here, just to kind of put more emphasis on it. This is just this layer is literally just a layer that is kind of flipped and rotated. It's literally rotated in formation. Flip it horizontal, you get it back. And then what I did was I flipped it, scaled it up, got a certain part, just put it there, and put that to, I forget where I put it. What did I put it as? I think it was lighter color. Then you just do your layer mask. So you click down here for that little button here, layer mask, get this. Then you just want to get your black brush, You just want to tap around some areas and you will get this look, this really nice look. But yeah, also the textures, these textures actually do affect that a lot as well. That's really how you create that kind of effect. Just to kind of break down even further, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you guys do leave a like, subscribe. Also, if you guys want more like this, let me know what you want me to kind of recreate, or if there's a certain cover you want me to break down or some shit, let me know.